Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana, and I'm back with another slay tutorial. Alright, so this hair came to me, I don't know, it took a long time for her to make because I did tell her which wig I wanted in April. So it did take like a minute to get to me, but it's okay. Nonetheless, I love it. It's so pretty and the lace is melted. I can't see anything, to be honest. So I did put foundation powder on my wig this time instead of the lacing. So that's probably what made a difference for it to melt like this. But yeah, this is so cute. All the stuff will be in the description right below. Name is Neatandsleek, y'all. It came right in this package, right out the bag. This wig, y'all, is like really neat. Everything is so neat. Let me show y'all. Like, look at that. They look like scalp. And I did lay my my cap down correctly too, so it can melt. Look at that, y'all. Look. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want y'all to get into this tutorial. A makeup tutorial will be separate from this video because I just want this video to be focused on the wig. I just basically prepped the wig. I took it out, the braid out for the baby hairs, and my mom did the baby hairs. I laid it down and actually prepped it so it could get on my head. I did have a bun during the video of me doing my makeup, but I took that down because I didn't really care for it that much. So I decided to put it to the side. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look, well, basically melt this wig into my head. Then I put on my bed. Then I put beads on the end of these. I think later on what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put beads on all of the braids individually because I like it like this. I don't know. I don't really care for the ends as much. These are the ends. I don't really care for the ends, so I think I'm going to do beads. I'll put beads on this side too. Beads on both of the on 4 braids. Basically the ones that are hanging. So if I put it up in ponytail, these that have beads on it. But yeah, I like it with the beads. I don't know. I love that clicking sound. If y'all want to see how I melted this braided wig, this ombre braided wig onto my head, and how I did the bun, then keep on watching. All right, guys, so I am back. I'm back with a new camera. I'm back with y'all, just life period. So I did go ahead and I took down my frontal sew-in, y'all. So I kept the braids of the frontal sew-in. What happened was right here, y'all see my edges. See, that's why I don't do sew-ins, because sew-ins are like, braids are like really crucial for my hair right now. It's so thin. And then the back is kind of bumpy. So I'm like, you know what? I'll just use the bundles in the frontal and make a wig out of it. Frontal, I could put on there and I could just make that a wig, which I should have did in the first place. Instead of spending $325, I could have spent $200 to I could have made the wig and put it on my head, because I already know I got promo and things like that to do. So that was like, what? So my nail set was free, but they coming off like, girl. Well, so the only thing I really paid for my birthday was basically my hair and my toes and eyebrows. That's it. But she was kind enough, and she gave me a free set of nails, y'all, so I ain't gotta worry about it. But they came off, and most of these are like glued down. I'm sorry for the rant. And now I'm using my camera, my Canon camera, the Mark D4, and it has autofocus. So if I get out of focus, it's gonna zoom me right back in. Not like the other one, you have to manually focus yourself in. So I'm excited. Here, what we're gonna do is we are going to be doing a braided wig. So I kept these braids, even though I know I should be taking them out because they pull in my hair. This is the brand we're going to be promoting right here. It's called Neatandsleek, and this is a braided wig. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out the package. The wig is constructed so nice. This is it, constructed nice. It has a band to it. And I have the specs on this wig. You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to put some beads. Let me know later on if I should put beads on this. I think I'm going to add some seashells when my mom pins it up. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm going to put it on this door. Right here, I'm going to pluck these because these are baby hairs. This is how it looks. This is how it's constructed. Y'all see it?
Ooh, pretty.
That's how it's constructed. It's ombre. Let me give y'all the specs on this wig right now. All right, so this is a full lace wig. The waist length is 24 to 26 inches. Hair color is Pic Color. I don't know why it says Pic Color. Cap size is a small. That's it for the specs on this wig. Pin it down, and I am going to, I think I want to do like some kind of bun, braid, something like that. But I'm going to pluck these. This braid so slow. And they do look so neat, like these braids. This wig, y'all, look at this. This wig looks so good. Only that can melt into my skin like that. And it's about to, because I'm about to make it. The beads. Like, put the beads. Put the beads right here. She's doing now is she is putting the beads on the head. I mean on the two braids that I have left out. I think I'm gonna have 2 on each side. And she's putting 4 on each braid. 4 on 4 braids. Right, that's what I'm talking about.